Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Claude.ai subscription. Whether you're looking to switch plans or simply taking a break from the service, this guide will walk you through the cancellation process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Claude.ai. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Just enter your account details to access your dashboard. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile avatar. Click on it, and a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account configuration page where you can manage various aspects of your Claude subscription. Once you're in the settings area, look at the left sidebar. You'll notice several menu options listed there. Click on Billing. This section is where all your subscription and payment information is managed, and it's the key area for making changes to your plan. Now, I should mention that I'm currently using a free account, so I won't be able to show you the exact next steps firsthand. However, if you have an active paid subscription, you'll see different options here. For those with a paid plan, find the line item that displays your active Claude subscription. This will show you details about your current plan, including the type and billing cycle. Next to your subscription details, you should see a cancel button. Click on it to begin the cancellation process. Claude wants to understand why you're leaving, so this will trigger a feedback form. You'll then be navigated to a page that asks, what is your main reason for canceling? Below this question, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal a list of possible reasons. Select the one that best matches your situation, whether it's cost, features, or simply that you're not using the service as much as you expected. After selecting your reason, look for the button labeled Cancel Plan. Click on it to finalize your cancellation. This confirms your decision and will stop future billing for your Claude subscription. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Claude.ai subscription. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.